Six, seven, eight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everyone, and a very good morning to all of you. My name is Aisha Khan and I am from grade 5B. Today is Wednesday, 18th of February 2020. Let's start our presentation with the name of our. For this, I would like to call Shavir for the recitation of the Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والتين والزيتون وطور سينين وهذا البلد الأمين لقد خلقنا الإنسان في أحسن تقويم ثم رددناه أسفل سافلين إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فلهم أجر غير ممنون فما يكذبك بعد بالدين أليس الله بأحكم الحاكمين صدق الله العظيم. Please, I would like to call Fatma. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. لا يدخل الجنة بالتعب وهو जन्नत में दाखिल नहीं होगा. Call Savage for today's quote. Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow. You are well aware we are celebrating a library week, so let's start our presentation. Our friends are our top priority and we must take care of them. Following rule is essential to the main discipline. Luckily, grade 2 students have arrived to teach us these library rules. Let us welcome our participants with a round of applause. Listen to the librarian. Ask if you need help. Look for others in the library space. Turn books to the library. Always walk. Thank you. Read and speak quietly. Thank you. Your manners and your cooperation are highly appreciated. What a wonderful display. I hope we shall follow these rules. It is a famous saying that a book is a gift. We can open it again and again. Yet we will enjoy it. Now students, let's welcome our grade 3 students to explain the keys of becoming a better reader. Ask questions as you read. Find new words. Therefore, the clue. Think what will happen next. Read. A fabulous presentation. When we imagine books, they come in all sorts of genres and topics. Hence, our grade 4 and 5 students will demonstrate the different types of books. Hello friends, do you recognize me? My name is The Book and today I will let you meet some of my friends. Are you excited? Let's do this. Do you know me? When you read me, you start to laugh. Now you know me, my name is Funny Book. Hey kids, did you guess me? I help you when you read me. Yep, my name is Horror Book. You always see colors in me. Yes, I am Coloring Book. Thank you. Do you know me? Hey kids, do you know me? You have to use your brain and answer the riddles. And yeah, you guessed me. My name is Riddles Book. You know me. You have many new facts from me. My name is Fact Book. Students, do you recognize me? You have to solve me with correct answers. Yup, you got me. My name is Puzzle Book. Do you know me? I have old stories in me. I bring joy to you. Now you know me. My name is Fairy Tales. Students, do you know me? Start to sing and read me. My name is Songs Book. Students, suggestion of who am I? You have to identify from the clues. You are smart because you know who am I. My name is Detective Books. Anyone guesses who I am the only book that has the meanings of words. Yep, you got me. My name is the dictionary. So, looks like this is the end of our journey. I'm sorry I couldn't bring all my friends, but maybe next time you will meet my other friends. Thank you everyone. Tune in next time. Goodbye. I have enjoyed today's library week presentation and have a great time together. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. What a nice and wonderful library week is going on, and this lovely presentation has prepared by Mr. Zunaira, and grade 4A B as well as grade 2B student has given this presentation along with 2A. Give a huge round of applause for them. Loud and clear voice of the applause should be there, because definitely Ms. Zunaira put her efforts to prepare all the students. Well done, Ms. Zunaira.